Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to find the Claude URLs and website domains that it needs to operate properly. There's a little hidden place within developer mode that has the current URLs and websites that Claude needs to work properly. And likely you're here because you either need to block or allow Claude on the network. So let's dive in. So first off, it would be best to have Claude Desktop installed. So go ahead and get Claude Desktop installed. If you need instructions for that, I'll link that in the description below. Click the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner, then go down to Help, then Troubleshooting and Enable Developer Mode, then Enable. Claude will relaunch, and then go back up to the hamburger menu, select Developer, and then select Configure Third-Party Interface. And then drop down to Egress Requirements. So these are all the egress requirements to get Claude to work in your environment. And there's a handy little test connectivity button as well. So this will be most of the URLs that you need. I would add these to your firewall allow list, whatever you're using for content filtering. And you can also download the list as a text file and share that with your IT admin or administrator so that they can just copy and paste these URLs in. Now, there is a small chance that a few URLs could be missing from this list. I'll also link below 2 articles that Claude has. However, I find this at the most simple way to test and see the current URLs that Claude is using. If this helped you out, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It really does help. And as always, thanks for watching.